Hey everyone, welcome back to BlenderVerse. Today, I'll show you how to create a realistic 3D chain in Blender step by step. Let's get started. First, add a torus. Switch to Edit mode and in the viewport shading, enable wireframe mode. Now, select half of the torus and move it along the x-axis. This will stretch it into an oval shape, just like a chain link. Next, press Shift+A, go to Curve, and select Path. Switch into Edit mode and spread the vertices evenly to form a base path for the chain. Right-click and choose Shade Smooth. Add an array modifier and set the Fit type to Fit Curve. For the curve object, select the NURBS curve we just created. Add a curve modifier to the chain link, and again, select the NURBS curve as the target. Press Shift+A, go to Empty, and add a plane axis. Go back to the array modifier on the chain link. Turn on Object Offset, and select the empty as the control object. Now, rotate the empty 90 degrees along the x-axis. Adjust the relative offset in the array until the links perfectly interlock with each other. Finally, go back to the curve path. Extrude it, and watch as your chain automatically generates following the shape of the curve. And that's it. You now have a fully procedural chain in Blender that you can bend and shape however you like. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BlenderVerse for more Blender tutorials and 3D short films. See you in the next one.